How can I improve my maths skills? Every student requires a methodical approach with appropriate pacing. We structure our tutorials in 3 parts. First being, feedback from the previous session, going over last tutorial's homework. Reinforcing, solving any issues you may have. Second, study towards new subject material, building on from previous session. This is done by way of explanation of the theory and numerous examples that we can work through together. Then we set practice questions for you to have a go at, under our supervision. Lastly, closing session, reviewing the hour's content, and setting homework for next week. We are flexible in terms of lesson structure. If the student has questions or is unsure about a particular concept, we will be able to clear up any misunderstandings. We aim to teach the material from the fundamental concepts to try and encourage the student to understand the methods they are applying. We will also prepare questions, taken from past papers to improve exam technique and hopefully help you achieve the highest possible grade.